Watching you, Drew.
All right, here we go. All right, everyone, my name is Pamela Grover, and this is
Spencer Grover.
And our company is Design Tech Consulting, and today we will be presenting Accelerating Your Business with Artificial Intelligence. And what we thought we'd do today is we'd start with a game. We thought you could maybe tell us what you think. Is this AI or not?
So, AI or not? Princess Leia and a...
Yeses,
yeah,
no's?
yes.
I hear yes.
Yes.
All right, what do you think?
It is Carrie Fisher in Star Wars as Princess Leia. She was added post-mortem in the later episodes of those movies, as a young version of herself and then also as an older version of herself, all with the help of AI. So that guy's real, she's not.
All right, let's do another. Is this AI or not?
And just to clarify, this is a 3D model, so you can spin it
I heard
around,
a
go
yes.
up and down the line.
Yes.
Wholeheartedly, I heard a yes. Anything else? Actually, no, it's not. This was actually designed by our daughter, Jordan, in her 3D modeling course at UW Stout. Now, there is an emergence of AI-powered 3D modeling solutions, but traditional manual 3D modeling techniques remain an important part of 3D content creation. Let's do another one. This is fun. Is this AI or not? Yes. I'm hearing a lot of yes.
Yes.
All right.
That's correct. This is AI-powered facial recognition technology, and it's used in a variety of applications, such as security, marketing, and social media. Facial recognition systems use computer vision to detect and identify human faces in images and video. Let's do another one.
So for those of you who can't see it, it's actually code. So there's some HTML in there, there's some Python, so that is a code on the screen. So, AI or not?
Yes.
Heard some no's, heard some yes. Well, actually, it is AI. I've trained my AI to write code the way I want it written. And so that code there, I told it what to do, and it generated it for me. So it is AI.
All right.
So it's kind of a hybrid, really.
And let's go with one last one here.
So if you look at the bottom, there's actually people walking around. So this is actually from somebody's camera.
What do you guys think?
AI or no?
I think it's real.
It is real. It is real life. So everyone for miles can see it.
Too complex to not be AI.
So instead of fireworks, here's a live display made from over 1,500 drones. And an AI program is actually controlling where they're going up in the sky there.
Making sure they don't run into each other and adjusting for stuff that gets in the way.
All right, so who are we? Well, let's give you a little bit of background before we get started. So we attend Grace Church here in Eden Prairie. We've been married for 28 years. We live in West Bloomington, and we have 3 awesome kiddos. Our oldest daughter, on the right here, she attends UW Stout, and she's pursuing a degree in animation. Our other daughter, Mackenzie, attends Concordia Moorhead, and she's pursuing 2 degrees, Chinese and Global Studies, with a concentration in East Asia. And then our son, he attends Bloomington Lutheran, he's in 8th grade, and he loves to play basketball.
And both of our girls are looking for internships over the summer, so if you have any connections, let us know. We'll count it as a referral, but we won't let Kim know. Okay?
All right. So here's an outline of what we'll be presenting today. What is artificial intelligence? A brief history of AI, concerns of AI, AI today, AI tomorrow, practical applications of AI, how AI can increase sales, and just a little bit about our company. And again, I'll just mention one more time, the handouts in front of you include an area for note-taking. They also include a list of educational resources and more ideas on how to use AI in your business.
So, what is artificial intelligence? So, AI refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by computer systems. These processes include learning, or the getting of the information, and the rules for how to use the information, reasoning, or using the rules to reach approximate conclusions, and then self-correction, or the ability to learn from its own mistakes and to learn from human feedback. So AI is comprised of these categories. The most basic category is considered business and process automation. That's shown in the green here. And then machine learning is what chatbots and AI search engines use. And then an example of deep learning is the facial recognition that you saw in the quiz there. That is considered deep learning. And then generative AI is the morphing of existing content into new text or images. And I'm sure you've all seen or experienced these one way or another by now.
So many industries are being affected by AI, and here are just a few and how they're being impacted. So for the industrial and manufacturing sectors, AI is making big improvements in safety, efficiency, and quality control.
Right now, Ford has artificial intelligence listening to engines running at the end of the assembly line before they're even put into cars. And the AI can pinpoint problems anywhere in that engine just by the sound. Pretty amazing.
Pretty amazing. So AI is also used for risk detection, financial prediction, fraud detection, and financial forecasting in the insurance and finance sectors. It analyzes large volumes of data to identify trends and anomalies, improving decision-making processes. And in healthcare, AI enhances treatment efficacy, speeds up diagnosis, improves health outcomes by identifying patterns and anomalies that might be missed by humans as well. It enables personalized treatment based on individual medical histories.
And currently we're hoping to work with medical professionals to enhance the field of thermal imaging with artificial intelligence.
And John knows a little bit more about that. In the retail sector, AI can review daily security footage to determine customer flow bottlenecks and make recommendations from the various patterns that it sees. And finally, AI is also having a significant impact in the education, creative, and e-commerce sectors.
All right, so most people don't know that the term artificial intelligence was actually coined back in the 1950s. And a couple of the algorithms that were created back then are still used in machine learning today. As you can see in the chart here, there are also some breakthroughs in the 70s and 80s, but the reason that it didn't take off is because there wasn't enough computing power or enough centralized data. But now, thanks to the cloud, we have more than enough both data and computing power.
So when it comes to the concerns of AI, there are more ethical considerations than you might imagine. First, because of social biases in the past, the data is skewed toward biases such as salary discrepancies, etc., and the AI community at large has made it a top priority to eliminate these biases. Now, with data leakages in the past, privacy concerns include protecting consumer data and how it is used, as well as ensuring the safety of users by preventing accidents and harm caused by AI systems and respecting the environment. Another ethical consideration is making sure that users understand how systems make decisions and providing explanations when requested. Along these same lines is being transparent about how AI systems work, providing users visibility into system behavior and ensuring that users understand how their data is being used and protected.
Did you know artificial intelligence can hallucinate? That's right. A hallucination is when AI responds with something that sounds like it could be true, and probably should be true, but it's not. It's actually it's not based on a single reliable data source. It's based on a compilation of several incomplete data sources, and by putting it together, it sounds right, but it's actually what they call a hallucination. So that's why the industry has implemented a way of specifying a confidence level anytime you deal with artificial intelligence. So when you get an answer back from Perplexity.ai, you can ask, what is your confidence level on that? It'll give you a number between 0 and 98. It'll never give you 100. So, and from what I've researched, the entire industry is dedicated to providing human oversight and approval processes throughout, and it's being called keeping human in the loop.
Human in the loop. And finally, ethical considerations of AI include taking responsibility for the actions of AI systems, being accountable for any negative impacts that they may have, and ensuring ethical conduct in AI applications. Another concern of AI that seems to be prevalent is the fear of job displacement and the concerns that AI technology could replace a significant number of jobs across various industries. Did you know that in the art world, generative AI tools are being used to outsource entry-level work, impacting freelance and entry-level jobs in in areas like film, TV, and gaming? Well, according to Forbes, roles focused on data analysis, bookkeeping, basic financial reporting, and repetitive administrative tasks are highly susceptible to automation. And while AI can automate specific tasks, there is still a need for human skills such as critical thinking, creativity, emotional intelligence, and social interactions.
So there's a lot of different AI on the market today. DBRX is fairly new, and it's currently the best. It changes as time goes on. Llama 2 and Mixtral and Grok are also in the top 4. So I was just, does anybody notice something that's not on this chart? Anybody? ChatGPT, yes. ChatGPT is not even in the top 5 anymore. So there's a lot more to AI than just ChatGPT.
And according to IBM, 35% of businesses have already embraced AI. Netflix has already saved a reported $1 billion by utilizing machine learning. And AI can boost business performance by as much as 40%.
Did you know that AI can now call you on the phone? Bland.ai not only can answer your questions over the phone, but can also detect your emotions. So check this out.
Hey, Bland, this is Mike. I'm just calling to show off your new emotional analysis capabilities. Can you tell me how my voice sounds right now?
Hey, Mike. It's great to talk to you, but from what I can pick up on with your vocal tone, you sound a little happy right now.
How do I sound now?
Whoa, okay. Well, you basically just cut me off and yelled at me, so it's pretty obvious that you're angry. With that being said, I know this is for testing purposes, but for what it's worth, I found that to be pretty rude.
I'm sorry. I didn't mean to yell at you. It was really just for testing purposes.
I know it's a test, so I totally forgive you. But is there anything else you want to test or talk about? Remember, I can do any type of phone call and have a conversation about anything. Oh, and by the way, you sounded apologetic there.
Thanks, Bland. No, I think I've had enough of acting emotionally volatile. You have a good day now. Bye.
Okay, well, you have a great day then, Mike. Bye-bye.
So 1 million phone calls simultaneously it can do. So you can go to bland.ai and check it out yourself, and I did, and it's pretty amazing. It does get a little caught off guard when you yell at it. It's kind of funny.
All right. So a future trend of artificial intelligence is the development of problem-solving AIs that call other AIs as needed based on the problem that they're trying to solve. This leads us to the next trend, which is the development of smaller, more specialized AIs for specific functions, which are then called by the problem-solving AI. And this has already begun.
Another exciting advancement in AI is happening in robotics. So for robots, the problem-solving AI that she was talking about there is, you're not going to believe it, but it's called Groot. Listen to this. And these are real robots, by the way, on stage.
9 humanoid robots were brought on stage to ring in the announcement of NVIDIA's Project Groot, which stands for Generalist Robot 00 Technology. Yeah, that's really what it stands for. NVIDIA describes Project Groot as the foundation for the development of humanoid robots, enabling them to understand human language and replicate human movements simply by observing them. This sounds strikingly similar to how Tesla's Optimus robot learns from video data inputs like human demonstrations. NVIDIA also demonstrated how the robot's using its platform can train in simulation, an important tool for robotics developers because it is generally much faster and more cost-efficient to train in simulation than it is to train in the real world for hopefully obvious reasons. Tesla, on the other hand, has not emphasized simulations as part of its Optimus robot development, perhaps because it's building off of its own in-house AI, which is trained on vast amounts of real-world data, gathered at least in part by the driver's assistants in Tesla cars. During NVIDIA's big announcement, humanoid robots from several of the big players in the space were present, including Digit from Agility Robotics, Atlas from Boston Dynamics, and more. This announcement seemed to be NVIDIA's way of starting to position itself as a provider of key building blocks for companies developing humanoid robots. NVIDIA also announced new hardware with its Jetson Thor computing system, designed to provide the speed and power needed to work with the variety of humanoid robots using Project Groot. Tesla, on the other hand, seems to be aiming at keeping much of the production of its Tesla bot in-house, leveraging the lessons learned and tools developed for making its cars, rather than partnering with companies like NVIDIA to provide those services.
So, and folks, this is not special effects in a movie. These are real people working with real robots.
9 humanoid...
All right, so moving along, let's look at some more practical applications of AI. In depth, we'll talk about conversational search engines, business automation, custom 24/7 service chatbots, centralized data, and business intelligence.
Conversational search engines are a practical application of AI. They use natural language processing to understand what you want them to do, and they do so much more than search. They also offer a wide range of generative AI capabilities, from answering queries and summarizing text to providing writing assistance and more. On your handout, we've listed several ways that you can use them. Perplexity.ai is my favorite because it cites real-time sources from the web. And so it is current. It is not 3 years old like the free version of ChatGPT. And it tells you where it's getting the sources. So other AI search engines include ChatGPT, obviously, but then also Claude 3 and Llama 2.
So business automation is a practical application of AI. Automation using AI and robotics streamlines manufacturing processes and warehouse operations, increasing efficiency and employee safety.
So an example of this would be connecting AI to video cameras in a hazardous work area. And if an employee enters the area without the necessary safety equipment on, the AI can play a nice reminder message like, "Bob, please remember to put on your hard hat."
Business automation automates the mundane, increases employee satisfaction, and streamlines internal manual processes. Have you heard of HubSpot? Some of you have. HubSpot incorporates an AI-powered tool that automates tasks and enhances decision-making in sales, marketing, and service functions.
There are also several AI-powered email services available right now, all of them for a monthly fee. Office 365 has Copilot, and a couple others are Mail Butler, Missive, and Mail Buddy. If you write a lot of emails, it might be worth it, but personally I just use Perplexity AI and copy-paste. Custom 24/7 service chatbots are another practical application of AI. So did you know that 23% of customer service companies are currently using AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants? Chatbots can serve a variety of audiences, including your customers, vendors, and employees. They can save reps valuable time by having them only address pre-screened issues. And they can also use consistent language prompts that make the customers feel good. Chatbots can support your employees in the field and after hours on their phone. And we can create custom chatbots to help answer questions about your company's products or services 24/7.
So centralized data is a practical application of AI as well. Save time in finding internal information with centralized data, like having your own private search engine. Efficiently pull reports on forecasting performance in sales and revenue, empower employees to be the experts, AI-powered algorithms and machine learning systems automate data analysis tasks and can process large data sets quickly. For those with SEC requirements, we can create a secure local ChatGPT that knows everything about their products and services. Tools such as Alteryx and Google Cloud BigQuery provide centralized data as well.
Finally, business intelligence is a practical application of AI. Business intelligence includes AI-powered predictive analytics, which is transforming the decision-making process across most industries today. It provides valuable insights, forecasting future trends, and enabling organizations to make informed and strategic decisions based on data-driven guidance. CRMs like SAP, Salesforce, and SalesMate provide comprehensive tools to manage customer data, automate processes, analyze data and insights, and create personalized customer experiences.
So here's the million-dollar question. How can AI increase sales? Let's watch this video.
And look at what they're printing.
Peter, come take a look at this.
Look at this.
What's this? The numbers, they keep getting bigger and bigger.
Clicks are off the charts.
Yeah.
Yoshi, it's Walter. We're back. Take a look at what book.
Everything about football right now. Really loves that thing.
So, do you really know where your sales are coming from? You just never know.
Well, we've found that AI can increase sales through personalized marketing strategies, sales forecasting, and customer behavior analysis.
So AI can increase sales through personalized marketing strategies by leveraging data-driven insights to tailor marketing messages and content to individual customers, leading to higher engagement, improved customer satisfaction, and increased conversions. By utilizing AI-powered tools like predictive analytics and machine learning algorithms, businesses can deliver targeted content, product recommendations, and offers at the right time to the right audience, enhancing the overall effectiveness of marketing campaigns. Examples of these AI-powered tools include Jasper.ai and IBM Watson Studio.
So here are the key ways that AI can increase sales through sales forecasting. Number one, improved accuracy of sales forecasts. AI-powered forecasting models can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, make more accurate predictions, and provide real-time insights, which will help sales teams prioritize their efforts and focus on the most lucrative opportunities. Number two, increase customer retention. AI can help identify at-risk accounts and proactively address customers' concerns, reducing churn and improving customer satisfaction. By analyzing customer behavior and purchasing patterns, AI can suggest cross-sale and upsell opportunities to increase revenue from the existing customers. And finally, operational efficiency. Automating routine sales tasks with AI frees up time for sales teams to focus on more strategic activities and building stronger customer relationships.
So, by leveraging AI-powered analysis of customer behavior data, businesses can gain valuable insights by
Wait a minute. So basically, what you're saying is that if you have enough data about your prospects and your customers, then you can increase your sales with AI?
Absolutely. With enough data, you can sell the right services to the right people at the right time. You'll know who wants what products when. We don't need the rest of that page.
All right. So, who is Design Tech Consulting? Well, we have 28 years of creative problem-solving experience in the technology industry. As your AI advisors, we specialize in unleashing the full potential of AI to transform your business. We accelerate your journey with artificial intelligence, implementing cutting-edge solutions that enhance productivity, reduce costs, and drive growth. We start with a discovery call with a company's decision maker to learn their company's pain points and bottlenecks. After that, we'll provide recommendations that could include a custom AI program, an off-the-shelf solution, or a collaborative approach with the customer's in-house development team. Our ideal customer is a decision maker who is ready to take action in automating the mundane and optimizing their workflows. Industries such as financial, manufacturing, and marketing are ideal for us too.
So we are currently creating a custom AI solution from the ground up for Red Ladder. It's a national nonprofit here in the Twin Cities. It takes information about donated items and searches the internet to find matching items that are being sold anywhere on the internet so that the AI can determine an estimated donation value. In minutes, it can scan thousands of pictures and compare each picture on the internet to the one of the item being donated so that it can come up with a value for the item being donated. So this value estimator service can also really help out second-hand, thrift, and pawn shops. So if you know anyone in those industries, let us know. Another example of an AI solution we can do involves office automation. So we can take scanned documents, have the AI read them, and extract data no matter where it is on the page. Even if it's different from page to page, it will find the data and extract it, and then export it into separate files, one for your CRM and one for your accounting. And this process can happen automatically. And finally, we can create a secure private AI that can answer your customers' questions or your employees' questions about your company's products, services, customers, and vendors 24/7. This can allow marketing agencies to access advanced AI capabilities without risking exposure of their clients' intellectual property or sensitive data. Professional services such as accounting, legal, or consulting practices can utilize a secure generative AI system to automate tasks like contract reviews, financial reporting, and client communications. So this can really help them improve efficiency and service quality without compromising client confidentiality. Basically, it allows you to do anything that you can currently use ChatGPT for, but it is completely private and secure.
All right, so in summary, we've defined AI, shared a brief history of it and the concerns of AI, reviewed the today and tomorrow of AI, outlined some practical applications of AI, how it can increase sales, and shared a little bit about our company. Over our time together, we hope that you've learned a few more things about AI that you didn't know before. And there are interest forms on the table there. We'd love to schedule a one-to-one with you.
So we hope this information has been helpful and that you'll feel free to reach out to us as your trusted AI advisor. And we'll help you accelerate your business with AI. Thank you.
Thank you.
If anybody has a question, we have